So with all the tools on the market at the moment, there's a lot of competition. I think ultimately these days most tuners end up running one or two tools. There's no tool that does absolutely everything. Magic Motorsport, I think these guys have almost, to me it feels like they've come almost from nowhere. I mean, it's been out a little while now, but the tool really, I think, has taken the industry by surprise. It's getting better and better. The application list is becoming huge, and to some extent, I still think it's a bit of a dark horse in the industry. It's one that not everyone is talking about, but from what I've seen of it, it's a fantastic bit of kit.
It really is. It's one of the ones that's favoured by a couple of our technical team as well. It's their sort of go-to tool in many cases. It's got probably one of the biggest application list, or probably second biggest application list on the market in terms of vehicle capability. A massive range of transmissions.
Yeah, I think it's particularly known for gearbox tuning, isn't it? A big coverage.
So Mechatronic cloning, as they call it, so they're the Mechatronic gearbox services. So obviously tuning a number of those as well across a wide range of vehicles, but also the cloning capabilities, and it's something that's often overlooked, but it's actually a very big cost-saving exercise to repair a faulty control unit if you can clone it.
Well, I often think of cloning like that, and gearbox tuning to some extent, it's almost another additional business. So you've got your tuning business, predominantly still performance, although sometimes economy related, but people that want their ECU tuned, this is a different customer group, and often they're trade customers that need a solution, or they may sometimes retail customers too, but it's almost a completely different income stream. And if you've got a tool that's really strong for cloning, it can attract a whole different type of customer in.
We have companies that specialise just in that sort of ECU repair cloning field. But we talk about transmissions, of course, and that again is almost a second sort of income stream in its own right. If you can tune the ECU of the vehicle, you tune the gearbox as well to make sure that the gearbox is working in harmony, in unison with the ECU tune. So those two things together.
Totally get it. Well, it's double bubble in some ways. I mean, if you're on site tuning a customer's engine ECU and you look down and of course you notice it's DSG, let's have a conversation, because I'm on site, I've already spent my time to get here, there's a deal to be done with a customer. You should not be leaving without doing his gearbox, no matter what that deal is, because you're just growing your opportunity while you're on site. So again, it's a nice way of a tool generating and working for you, making more money for your business.
And in terms of their reading, writing capabilities, again, one of the quickest tools on the market. Very quick for reading, writing, whether it's OBD, boot or bench.
Again, because it does all three in one tool, doesn't it?
Does all three in the one tool, yes. And their connectors, again, are probably some of the best on the market. Very well developed, almost like sort of compression spring loaded for connecting to the ECU.
Stable connection.
It's a robust tool. It's very, very capable. And we have to add on top of there's data logging.
Well, that's always so useful to have.
It's a very powerful data logger on there. Any tuner that is developing tuning files, whether it's on the dyno, whether you're visiting a vehicle and it's mobile, having that data logging capability enables you to baseline the vehicle and make sure it is performing how you expect it to perform before you go and tune it. There's nothing worse than tuning a vehicle that's got underlying faults and you're then chasing a problem that was already existing beforehand. So that capability is really, really powerful on there. As I said, some of the strongest application list, but also from a support point of view, probably one of the fastest, most effective support teams in the market today.
A lot of people are talking about their technical support. I understand it's very good, very accurate, very helpful, very friendly, very approachable. I mean, as I say, I think it's really, as a tool, it's going from strength to strength, and it's actually probably one of the cheapest mainstream tools available. I mean, the starting price is very reasonable.
As a tuning tool, and we talk about different tools where you can either build them up and bolt protocols and modules onto them, or they come as an all singing, all dancing, everything in one go, take it or leave it. The way the system's actually broken down for the Magic Flex is probably one of the cheapest tools on the market that offers you OBD and those bench capabilities straight from the start.
I think it's really taken the market by storm. It's becoming stronger and stronger, and if it's not going to be your main tool, it's definitely the second tool you want to reach for in your toolbox.
There's a really, really strong selling point, if you like, and I don't really do selling, I talk about the technical mostly, but from a technical point of view, it's a strong selling point, and that's the warranty on the tool. If your subs are kept in subscription,
that's right,
lifetime warranty on the tool.
And nobody else has that at all. Lifetime warranty on a tune tool. It's literally unheard of, but Magic Motorsport offer that as long as you keep your subscription up to date. It's a powerful and very useful thing to have.
Which I think is also something that's testament to Magic Motorsport themselves and how much they believe in their product and their tool, that they can offer that lifetime warranty if you're in subscription, because they know it is so robust, and will last and will do the job that you need. And ultimately, as a tuner, you just want the tool to work.
Yeah.
You need it to be reliable, you need it to work, whether you're in a nice, lovely air-conditioned office working on ECU, or you're in horizontal driving rain and -5 and it's dark in the winter, tuning a car on the side of the road.
Well, ultimately, a tool that doesn't work is a lost job, lost opportunity.
Correct.
You've made no money on the day, and there's nothing worse than that. I highly rate the tool, and I think it's just going to continue to go from strength to strength. It's definitely one to be considered.
Yeah, definitely.
So if someone's looking for a tool, and obviously there is a range available, Magic needs to be on that list. What are the first steps if they're not sure if it's the right tool for them?
It's a good question. So the first thing to do is to contact us. Check our website, read the materials we've got on there about the tools, the support, the coverage, etc., the features. But ultimately, contact us, drop us an email, reach out on the phone. We like to actually consult with potential tuners before they buy the tool to make sure they're buying the right tool for them.
Yeah.
It's going to support the tuning that they need for their customers. So with that, we have what we call our dealer demo days, where customers can come in, they can see the tool, see what we're about, the services we offer, but importantly, they can get hands-on with the tool, a little bit sort of try before you buy, as we sort of mentioned before. You can actually get hands-on with that tool through OBD, through bench, and through boot, to actually see if it does what you need it to do, if you're comfortable with how it connects, the instructions and the flow of that tool itself. And of course, if you can't come to us, if you're not based in the UK or don't take a trip over to come and see us, we can do all of this online as well, whether it's through Teams, whether it's online correspondence or sending the information online.
So time with a professional tuner, online or face-to-face, using the tool before you have to make any commitment to buy a tool. I mean, you can't say fairer than that. I think it's a very nice introduction to a tool to be able to have that sort of quality training up front.
Yeah.